In today's video, we are going to unbox an RC rock crawler. I have purchased this from Amazon.in. You can also purchase from there. Link is given in the description of this video. It is a 4x4 rock crawler with front and rear suspension. Please don't forget to like this video. Like aim for this video will be 60 likes. Let's see if we can complete that. Inside the box there is a battery, charger, controller and the rock crawler. It comes with 1000 mAh battery which gives the backup of 10 to 20 minutes on a single charge. It also comes with 2.4G remote controller. Now let's test it.